Once I was alone in this world of terrible liars. Once I needed a hope. But then once I reached the stars and I began to think, who am I really and who do I want? Am I really the person I've been hoping to be? Do I really think that I can overestimate? Do I really be what I want? Am I really what I wanna be? Is this what I want to be? Am I really following my dreams? My dreams seem impossible. They seem inevitable. But I just really hope I can reach 'em. Going to space is what I've always dreamed for, but that won't work if I'm not working hard to the stars. And I just wanna know what's going on out there. It's all a dream, it's all hope, it's all I wanted in life. Every day, every night, every person underestimates. I just think that life should be life. Life is not a miracle, it's just luck. Life is to help this terrible world, which may die in 2 minutes or maybe even now. Oh wow, I just thought, oh wow, what was this that I just found? Once I went deep into the stars and I found this one love that never ends. What I want, oh, I just found who I wanted. I just found what I was waiting for. But then the very next day,